or you should not enter into confusion. After 10 days, you should be able to make use of this tool to do something like performance data collection, because this cannot be an exhaustive training. Okay, so you will get an idea about what jmeter is, and you also should understand how to extend your understanding of this jmeter from communities. To do that, first you have to understand the objective of jmeter features like this: why controllers, why config elements, why preprocessors, why post processors, right? So understand from the requirement point of view what you want. Don't learn jmeter. Jmeter is a tool for us. You question, can jmeter provide this? Question the importance of post processor. Why we need this? We didn't have this in selenium. What is the use of this? Why there arises a need for post processor? Why there is a need for timers? Such things, right? Okay, any questions?
One thing I just wanted to know, like there is a Google Lighthouse for performance. So this is similar to that, or like that is an
Anybody has
entire
to do the
different?
same thing. The
Okay.
Google Lighthouse, will that help us to generate users? Might, I think it
No.
will help us.
Okay.
Huh? It may help us to generate what? A Google Lighthouse. What is that? We'll see. I have not come across that. See what is Google Lighthouse. So we'll see now. What this will do for Chrome for developers overview, like this only, na? Open source automated tool for improving the quality of web pages. No, this is not that. This
Okay.
is to improve the your browser side logic, performance of your web page, like rendering of JavaScript, rendering of parsing of HTML, attaching the certificates. That might be that in Chrome DevTools, audit pages that require authentication and read your reports. Okay, find the command line. So with the first sentence, what I understood is in Chrome DevTools, it's a part of DevTool. So it is to know the performance of your page from the command node module to give Lighthouse URL to audit. It runs a series of audits against the page and then it generates a report on how well the page did. See how well the page did, not how well your system did. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm. So page is actually browsers, that application which you add into the browser is a thick client. It will do many things. Tomorrow we will be discussing this, right? It will do parsing. What is parsing? You should know. It will make many requests. It executes JavaScripts or other codes. And nowadays we are having React directives. Those JavaScript libraries, they have to parse and they have to execute. And CSS has to be parsed. Many things are there. Okay. So how well that page will perform? It is basically the client side performance, okay, not our system side performance. What we are doing here is the system network, the performance of the technologies. Here the performance of only your page design. You may use Node.js, React, AngularJS libraries, JavaScript libraries. So that is your own code. What is the performance? How well the page did? That is the lighthouse. Okay, thank you. I didn't know that. I just opened it. Okay, page load time, analyze page load. Okay, after 30 to 60 seconds, Lighthouse gives a report on the page. Just you have to give the URL. Okay, that's all. This is entirely different from JMeter. This is not a load or anything. There is no
Okay.
client loading or okay. See, version of node, the long-term support, node module programmatically, page speed insights, make it fast on all devices. I think it may suggest you also to improve the page speed. It may audit and give you where all, which areas of your page is
Oh,
delayed or taking time. Okay. Okay. Any more
yes.
questions?
Okay. I
Yeah,
have
I
one.
have.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay,
Yes. Ma'am.
Okay.
go
So
ahead.
how we can do the imports? I mean, I have existing the test plans and the JMX file. So is there any facility that we can directly import under the trade groups?
Yes.
Yes. We have many methods. Okay. We'll see that.
CURL? CURL
Include
only?
include. Huh?
Using
Which one?
CURL, or is there
No,
any?
no, JMX file, what I understood from your question is one JMX file is
Yeah.
there. You want to
Yep.
import that JMX file in this JMX file.
Yes.
Is that so?
Yes, that's the
Yeah,
question.
we are having include controllers and all. We'll
Okay.
see that. Hmm. So these things now you have to highlight again when I run controllers, because lot of things are there. I may miss things, right? All these requirements, and I may question you immediately why you felt that you need this, because my training is always driven by the requirements. I don't want to go by what jmeter offers. I want to make you understand that from your requirement point of view. See, someone asked in the morning, like I wanted to have the results grouping Hyderabad and Pune. I don't say it is wrong. That is her requirement. There might be some reason. So I asked her, like, why you wanted that. Now you asked me, like, can I call the JMX file? Why? Why you felt that that facility is required? I may ask that question, okay? So that we will understand the JMeter.
Sure. So
Yeah.
once we reach to the controller, I'll definitely raise a question
Yeah,
again. We can have
module
a discussion.
controllers actually.
Yeah,
Module, include controllers, module controllers, right?
sounds good.
So you will understand. Because I fear sometimes I may miss, right? This is a vast 30 years of development. I will try to make it, squeeze it into as easy as possible so that it will not confuse you. But if once you are clear with why this JMeter and what is your purpose in learning JMeter, rest all follows. Okay. Now, in what you are asking some other question? Some question? Somebody
Y-
interrupted,
Yeah, I
no?
was
Yeah, yeah.
asking
Tell
one
me.
question. In our organization for automation, we are using this Mabel tool in some of the products. So they have also their feature performance testing. There also virtual users are there, average is there. So, but we are paying for that tool. So how it is different and in what parameters we can separate this?
See, first of all, JMeter is an open source tool. You can customize this, right? And it will support only open source protocols. And there won't be vendor support. So if a project is critical that you cannot spend time updating yourself, referring to communities and all, you need immediate solution. If your project is a time-bound project, you generally go with vendor supported tools. So compared to JMeter, what is this Maple? Hundreds of tools are there nowadays. Maple performance
Mabel.
MAB. Yeah, performance testing using performance testing. Oh yeah. So browser stack is supporting this, right? JMeter also is supported fully by browser stack. Better alternative to Maple, create run your test in 2 minutes without coding. Try browser stack today. Okay. Better alternative to Maple, he's saying. Means the browser stack uses JMeter only. So browser stack is saying alternative to Maple. Simple browser, API load and performance testing. So what he is giving, reusing functional browser and API test, optimal user experience, SLS. Say goodbye to tedious script creation and maintenance, streamline performance testing. See, all are easy only. JMeter also is easy. See, reuse browser and API test. Okay, we also can use it here. Simply add data tables. Here also we can use, not data tables, we can use CSV files. We easily visualize performance metrics. So here we can say like uh, give some our liking for this, because JMeter visualization and all will not be that good. Browser network metrics and even test samples is not giving much. Low code. Here also we don't do code. If we need, we do with the here also code always will be required. They simply to market they say coding is not required. Now also we created tests, no coding was there. Cloud powered means he is giving us some. Now see, JMeter is not providing us with the load form. If you want to generate 1,000 users, where you will generate? You have to rely on browser stack, or when you purchase Mabel, he will give you us the machines, virtual machines, from where you can run thousands of users, get scalability and efficiency with no infrastructure to maintain. If with jmeter you should have infrastructure, like you should have some 10 or 20 laptops. On each laptop you can run 300 users easily. So 10 laptops means 3000 users. But if you want to run 30,000 users, you don't want to dedicate that many laptops, you go to browser stack. Same, he's Mabel also providing that facility. Browser stack also charges you. I
Yeah,
think,
so just
yeah,
only difference is it's open source and that one have some
vendors,
limitations
this is
for
not vendor
virtual
supported.
users.
Yeah, you can try this once you this is a as a service he is giving, end-to-end
Yeah,
testing,
we have
including.
tried it.
Hmm.
And that's why they are providing some
You check
limitation
now
for
because
virtual
you will
users.
learn now jmeter, right? Jmeter is having 30 years of development. So you question them, right? Are you providing? I want to measure the transaction. I want to measure the sub transaction of this sub transaction. I would like to control the transaction. If the transaction time is greater than 30 seconds, I want to fail the transaction. These all facilities without programming, we will not get it,
Mhm.
right?
Yeah.
So this also might be good. You can see something more. What more he's why Mabel he says. Let us see. You build and release innovative software faster with AI driven. So everybody talks about somehow prefix or suffix AI they are adding. AI native test, AI powered accelerate test creation, AI technologies. What AI technologies? I know AI means lot of data should be there. Which data he's using, we don't know, including generative AI. Unified cloud native platform, unmatched testing, efficient asset reuse. This web, mobile, AVA, functional, non-functional testing, Mabel platform. He's providing you with some platform of virtual machines, I think. That's all. Now we have to take the help of browser stack. That is the reason why browser stack quickly commented on Mabel, because Mabel is competitor to browser stack. Browser stack also charges you. Mabel also is charging you. There he uses jmeter scripts and other scripts also. Mabel, which language he is using, we don't know. We have, he says no coding. Which language you are using? Simply you are
So
recording and replaying, I think.
yeah, for some scenarios there will be the JavaScript, but apart
If
from that,
coding is there, here also we will use the JavaScript. It doesn't make any difference. Only difference is Mabel, he is providing you with Mabel, a platform to run your users. Everything will be same.
okay.
They provide you the facilities in their own way. So you understand. It is again, see, after the training of JMeter, you should be able to question and work on any performance tool, right? You understand, generalize your learning. So load runner, Mabel, or any tool, you should be able to work. Basically, like client you have to represent, number of users you have to simulate, and you should be able to control the users, and you should be able to control the activity. And any tool has to provide you with the visualization, graphs or data analysis or something. So anyhow, I highlight so that you can benchmark with other tools also.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Any
Yes.
more questions, friends? Okay, then we will continue tomorrow 9:30.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Yeah.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yep.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.